Hello, I wanted to just show you how to make eyes using black buttons to give your eyes some life. So it's very easy. You just need some white acrylic paint, and I like to use a bamboo skewer, but you can kind of use a toothpick or anything that's pointy. I've used this one over and over, as you can see. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab some onto my bamboo skewer, and then you can do different colors, and you can add different shines anywhere. There's lots of different options, lots of things that you can do, but what I'd like to do for a lot of mine is I kind of give a little bit of like a half moon almost on the one side, like so. And my button's moving quite a bit here. Be kind of careful. And then I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to give it two shines. I'm going to put one up top here, and I can kind of put one anywhere else. I'm going to put this one, I think, here. So there is one of the shines in my eyes, and I'll do the exact same thing on this side. So you see where I put the half moon sort of over here. I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side, and hopefully it doesn't move too much. And then when you're doing this, you have to be careful that you don't get the paint on the yarn, because if you do, it's you either have to get it off right away, but that could actually just smear it. Or what I do is if I get it on the yarn, I wait till it dries, and then I actually cut it off with some scissors, with my little yarn scissors. So there's one and two, and that's it. So I have changed these buttons from kind of a blank sort of face, sort of a blank stare, to giving them life. So yeah, so there you go. There's my little tip and trick for you for the day. Thanks, and catch you later. See you later.